Have you been annoyed by the Public Domain Curses Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Pdcurses Project dependency and restore that missing file. While we explore the technical guide for Public Domain Curses Library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Public Domain Curses Library. It provides a specialized API for creating text-based user interfaces in console applications. It is a common dependency for cross-platform developers and scientific tools. Without it, terminal-based software will report no screen found or will fail to render the localized text grid UI properly. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Errors involving Public Domain Curses Library DLL typically indicate that the Pdcurses project files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Public Domain Curses library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Replacing Public Domain Curses library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Public Domain Curses library. To support our technical team and receive updates on Public Domain Curses library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.